everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moon Dancer. How you guys doing? We are back with Moon's Animal Magic, and for this one we're going to talk about your power animal. Now everybody's is different, of course, and I've kind of named this exercise Power Up with Your Power Animal. Kind of cheesy, I guess, but I thought it was kind of cute. You know, this is about soul sharing or soul swapping, and it's just one way that you can connect to your power animal. So this is going to be a guided meditation type thing, and to soul swap with your power animal. So, yeah. In more detail, soul sharing is when you let your two souls become one, and you get to feel what they feel, experience what they experience, and be them, basically. Like, you get to kind of get an idea of what it's like to fly, if your power animal is a type of bird, if it's an animal with legs, you know, you can get an idea of what it's like to be on all fours, I guess. But it's a really spiritual experience, and it's really amazing too, and I definitely recommend you do this. So I'm going to attempt my very first guided meditation. So, yeah, bear with me. So, let's get to that next, so we can power up with our power animals. To start off, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Keep breathing in and out until you can feel yourself drifting away from reality, drifting away from the world around you. Picture your power animal's habitat. What do you see? Do you see an enchanted forest? Tall, majestic mountains? Perhaps a field full of flowers, or an ocean listening to the sound of the waves? Look around at your surroundings. Take in the beauty. Then you spot your power animal. Greet them with a smile. Say hello as you move closer. Get familiar with one another. Then ask if you can merge souls. If they don't want to do it, they will let you know. If they are okay, you may proceed. If they are not okay, you may continue talking to them and thank them and try again at another time. If you got the okay to proceed, then stare into each other's eyes. Feel your souls becoming one. Feel their power, strength, and senses as if they were your own. How does it feel? What qualities of your power animal are you picking up? Move around like this. Run if you have legs. Fly if you have wings. Feel the breeze on you. Experience the things they do. When you are done, slowly visualize your souls moving apart and becoming two again. Thank your power animal before you leave. Take a deep breath in and out several times until you come back to reality, seeing your power animal's habitat fading away. Open your eyes. Take a moment to collect yourself before moving. So that was the guided meditation for Power Up with Your Power Animal, and I hope you guys had a great experience with it. It was my first time attempting a guided meditation type thing, so I hope it wasn't horrible, and yeah, I hope you guys had an amazing experience with this, because I mean, that's what our spirit guides are there for, you know. They're there for us to connect with them. So that's a super powerful thing right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time for who knows what. You guys have a blessed day, and don't forget to dance under the moon.
Into superstitions, black cats and voodoo dolls. I've got a premonition that girl's gonna make me fall.